Okay, like I said, that we're going to do two different edgings for this. I like to do each sample with its own edging, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the chiseled edge on the entire thing, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it into a flat edge because it's part of the steps. What I'm going to do first, because the main thing that we're worried about when we're creating a countertop is over the edges we don't want drips. So I'm going to take some of the product that we've got here mixed up already, and as you can see it's much thicker than previously, and I'm going to put some of that in here. Then I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to wet all the edges, and by wetting the edge you're buying yourself a lot of time so that you don't have to worry about it drying out, whereas if it was just not wet and it was very dry like it is right now, the edge material is going to dry very quickly, and if you've got any kind of drips or anything else like that, you're going to end up with a problem. I'm just going to wet that up really quickly. Then we're going to take some of that material and put it on a piece of cardboard. The thing you want to really worry about here is if you were up here looking across this way, you want to see that it's squeezed up on the top over the edge, because we're moving the edge out and creating it so that it's much stronger than just the piece of wood that we've got or whatever's underneath. So we want to create a random look if we're going to be doing a chipped edge like this. Now, if I were going to want to do a flat edge, I'm going to do it exactly the same way. Put the material on the same thickness. Except instead of leaving it to dry for a little bit, I'm just going to take my margin trowel and I'm going to just start to smooth it out. And then I'll shave stuff off the bottom, and I'll take a little bit off the top. And as it starts to dry up, we'll finish that a little bit more, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But other than that, we're just going to leave it like this, and that's going to create the profile for our finished edge that we'll finish later.